Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the another haul video of Meesho. थंबनेल से आप सभी को पता चल ही गया होगा. आज का वीडियो is all about kurta sets. This time I have picked a beautiful kurta sets from Meesho as the wedding season is going. और मैंने जो kurta sets choose किए हैं बहुत बहुत वक्त लेके अच्छे से ढूंढ के उनको मैंने फाइंड आउट किया है, जो आप सभी को बहुत हेल्पफुल रहेगा. I'll be providing all the links in the description box. Also, सारे कुर्ता सेट्स at a very reasonable prices, under 2000. Not even a single kurta set is more than a 2000 rupees, guys. You can easily afford this. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So let's start with the first and the most favorite item of this haul, which is this kurta set जो मैंने यहाँ पहना है. This is a beautiful simple pink color kurta set. You can see it has a round neck, the detailing done on this neck, like a very simple work done. This is like a plain entire दिया है. स्लीव्स पे बस थोड़ा सा वर्क उन्होंने यहाँ पे दिया है. प्लस इसका बॉटम वेयर भी सेम है. यू कैन सी इन द वीडियो, मैंने एक ट्रायल वीडियो भी साथ में डाला है उसमें कि हाउ सिंपल, लाइक पूरा बॉटम वेयर भी इसका प्लेन है. जस्ट सिंपली नीचे में थोड़ा सा उन्होंने वर्क दिया है, विच इज़ लाइक enhancing the look of this entire kurta. Plus the most and the beautiful part of this kurta set is they have given this contrast dupatta. Amazing! इसके वजह से it's like कि इसका look एक अलग ही enhance हो गया है. It has simple this ball work done on this kurta. Ball work done on this दुपट्टा एंड विद दिस कॉर्नर पे जो उन्होंने वर्क दिया है, डिटेलिंग दी है. दैट्स इट. दैट्स वाई इसका जो लुक आ रहा है विच इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल. एंड द प्राइस ऑफ दिस कुर्ता सेट जिस पे ये मिला है विच इज़ लाइक अ वर्थ बाइंग एंड अ बॉम्ब डील. यू गाइस जस्ट गो फॉर इट. You can wear it any of the wedding. इतना प्यारा कुर्ता सेट है ये. Let's move on to the other item of this haul, which is this maroon color kurta set. This is like a narkali kurta set. You can see this has a very beautiful flare in it, like a very good anarkali. घेर इसका बहुत ही प्यारा, बहुत ही सुंदर दिया गया है. This is like a very simple and a sober. It has like a very sober neck. You can see like a simple detailing done on it. No jagmag, no nothing like ki. In simple, like in any of the function you can wear it like a side function. जो भी wedding के होते हैं आप उसमें इसको पहन सकते हैं. Simply this has a beautiful dupatta, like कि this type of detailing has been given. दुपट्टा भी इसका बहुत ही प्यारा है. The material is so soft, like you can see the very soft material. And also a very simple detailing done on this दुपट्टा के corners पे दिया गया है, which is like enhance the look of this kurta set. Also the pajama is in the same color and same there's a detailing done in the bottom part of this bottom wear, like you can see, which gives a beautiful look to the entire kurta set. जब भी आप means if you wear this, like because the kurta of this set is like a very simple, so the detailing and the designs given on the dupatta and the bottom wear enhances the look of that all the set. So you can easily go for this kurta set as well. Beautiful. Let's move on to the next item of this haul, which is this kurta set. Very simple and a very sober kurta set with a simple detailing done on the kurta. You can see the neck is like a very simple. It just has a strap. Like if you wanted to go with any sleeveless kurta set तो आप इसके साथ जा सकते हैं. This is a very simple and a sober kurta set. There is like जो कट इसकी दी है which is like थोड़ा ऊपर से दिया है, so which enhances the look. But the beautiful work and the design done on the sides, both the sides of this kurta, a beautiful design done, like the detailing and the design. You can see how beautiful the design is. Then after it has plazo के भी bottom में अगर आप check करेंगे, a very good लाइक वाइड लेग प्लाजो दिया है इसमें, एंड ब्यूटीफुल डिजाइन, द सेम डिजाइन डन ऑन द प्लाजोज बॉटम एज वेल, which also enhances the look of this entire kurta set. Also I love the dupatta, like it's a very 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 soft material with this. इसके चारों साइड में इन्होंने डिज़ाइन दी है विच एनहांसेस द लुक, लाइक एंटायर लुक इन्हांस हो जाता है. आप देख सकते हैं वीडियो में कि हाउ ब्यूटिफुल द ड्रेस इज लुकिंग ऑन मी, लाइक इट फिट्स वेरी नाइस, अ वेरी नाइस क्लोथ्स एंड अ वेरी नाइस फैब्रिक as well. A big thumbs up from my side. So let's move on to the next item of this haul, this purple color kurta set. This is a very simple and a very sober kurta set. You can see the color, how beautiful it's like the material is satin. You can see how beautiful the material is, like it's a very soft, a very 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 nice fabric. When it comes to a neck, so it has this simple curved V neck. Also in its back, it's a backless kurta set. You can see in the video like how beautiful the back is, plus like it has already inbuilt in it, so that you don't need to wear any innerwear with this, because as the back is backless, तो आपको इसके साथ कोई भी इनरवेयर कैरी करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज इट्स ऑलरेडी हैज़ गिवन द पैड विच आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर. यू कैन सी इन द वीडियो. ऑल्सो लाइक दिस इज़ एन अनारकली सेट एंड इट्स the flare is so beautiful. You can see how beautiful the flare is. Also like इसके नीचे this is like a pajama. This is also a very simple pajama, no detailing, no design, no work done on it, just a sober and a simple look. If you wanted to go with any simple look, like a simple occasion पे आप कुछ भी पहन रहे हैं, this is like a good to go kurta set. And this has a contrast lavender color का दुपट्टा with this. This is like a organza fabric I guess, and some little detailing done on it, like a simple lace is there given in this, and a beautiful print done on this dupatta. You can see, because the entire kurta is like a very simple and a sober, no work, nothing done, just a simple sober सैटिन फैब्रिक का पूरा कुर्ता सेट है. तो दुपट्टा थोड़ा सा डिज़ाइन में हो, सो दिस प्रिंट एंड लाइक it just give that wow look. You can see in the video how beautiful the kurta is looking on me. Also that back, I'm just in love with, man. Just like when you are wearing something traditional, but to take some modern vibes, it's something have in this kurta set. Just go for it, guys. Let's move on to the next item of this haul, which is this golden color sharara set. This is a very very beautiful sharara set. You can see the sleeves. Just सबसे पहले आप sleeves ही देख लो. Amazing. Because it has that mirror work done on it. Some this chunky what it called like tikli wala work is also done, and a beautiful work done in the entire kurta set. You can see how beautiful work and the designing, the detailing done. This has this mirror wala work as well. Entire kurta is full of design and full of done with the work. And the thing is, the sharara is just wow. You can see how beautiful the sharara is. आप देख पा रहे होंगे वीडियो में कि it has a very wide leg sharara pant given with this kurta set. Rate and the price of this dress is like a worth buying, man. Just go for it. I have some size issue with this because there's no small size available, but still it fits to me. Little loose hai but fits perfectly properly. You can see the sharara, the work, the design done on this sharara is like so beautiful, guys. Fabric is very nice. Also दुपट्टा में भी इसके बहुत अच्छा वर्क दिया है. The beautiful detailing done, the beautiful design on the corners of the एंटायर दुपट्टा चारों साइड से इसमें दिया है, प्लस बीच बीच में भी इस पर छोटा छोटा डिटेलिंग किया है, थोड़ा थोड़ा डिज़ाइन दिया है। दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस। आप देख पा रहे होंगे कि हाउ ब्यूटीफुल द कुर्ता सेट इज़ लुकिंग लाइक। जब मैंने इसको ट्राई किया था, द ट्रायल्स में आप देख पा रहे हैं, अ ब्यूटीफुल सेट, अ ब्यूटीफुल फिट, ब्यूटीफुल फैब्रिक, एंड आई एम शॉक विद द प्राइस जब वो आया कि इतने कम प्राइस में इतना ब्यूटीफुल कुर्ता सेट मीशो। So let's move on to the next item of this haul, which is this beautiful lavender color kurta set. You can see it has a full sleeves, a beautiful worked on the sleeves. That is a very much I like about. The neck pattern is so nice. Entire work is completely done on this area, and then after simply there is a plain and that simple two side में इसका थोड़ा थोड़ा उन्होंने work दिया है. Then it has a beautiful bottom wear, which is also like a simple पूरा plain है, and only detailing and the work done on the little side in the bottom itself. तो ये भी एक बहुत simple सा मुझे पसंद आया, and simple plain दुपट्टा जिसके edges में सिर्फ थोड़ा सा work दिया है, a very simple detailing done. You can see entire दुपट्टा पे ऐसा ही simple corners पे work दिया है, which is like a worth buying at the price जो दिया है. So let's move on to the next item of this haul, which is one of my personally topmost favorite kurta set, which is this kurta set, guys. Wow! This color I just fell for. The moment I saw this kurta set on Meesho, I was about to every day I was waiting to order this, because there was some technical glitch or something happened कि I can see the sizes available, but it's when I'm adding to the cart it was showing out of stock. So every single day I just go to the Meesho, I just check my wish list, I just try to add it, but the same thing I'm experiencing and then somehow I got the notification that it has been stocked in, and immediately I just placed for the order. Just इतना मुझे ये कुर्ता सेट पसंद आया है. यू कैन सी हाउ ब्यूटीफुल द कलर इज़. द नेक आई लव द मोस्ट. उसका मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा नेक पैटर्न ही पसंद आया है. अ सिंपल डिटेलिंग डन ऑन द नेक साइड प्लस द स्क्वायर नेक. इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटीफुल. यू कैन सी इन द video how beautifully this is looking, plus a very simple work chota work also done on this kurta set. This is also a very pretty a simple sleeves पे भी थोड़ा सा वर्क डन किया है. इस पे थोड़ा सा सिंपल वर्क दिया है. ऑल्सो इसका जो शरारा दिया है विच इज़ लाइक अ वेरी वाइड लेग. यू कैन सी दिस. It has so beautiful work done on the entire शरारा पे दिया है. प्लस the leg, the bottom size is so wide, like बहुत वाइड शरारा का इन्होंने बॉटम दिया है, and with the lots of work and the detailing done on this. Plus दुपट्टा पे भी entire complete work दिया है इस पे. That is most beautiful. And the price जो उन्होंने रखा है which is like a worth buying. It is not even looking like कि आप देख सक रहे होंगे कि कोई भी कुर्ता सेट आपको ऐसा नहीं लग रहा होगा कि इट्स लुकिंग वेरी चीप और समथिंग, बिकॉज द प्राइजेस जो मीशो ने रखे हैं उसके हिसाब से दे आर जस्ट गुड टू गो. ब्यूटीफुल डिटेलिंग डन. यू कैन सी हाउ ब्यूटीफुल डिटेलिंग डन ऑन द कॉर्नर्स ऑफ द दुपट्टा. प्लस एंटायर दुपट्टा पे भी जो डिटेलिंग दी है, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी प्रिटी एंड अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. सो this is the last kurta set which I like the most and the most in the entire haul after this one. So that's it for today's video, guys. I'm ending the video here. I have shown all my top picks which I like personally. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you like the video. आपको इन कुर्ता सेट्स में से कोई भी कुर्ता पसंद आया हो, just do let me know in the comment section. If you're ordering any of the kurta set out of all the kurta sets I have shown in this video, I'll be providing all the links in the description box. So आप वहाँ से check कर सकते हैं. आपको कोई भी कुर्ता सेट पसंद आया हो तो